It should spread out into one nice even layer so it doesn't like steam and get soggy. Now I am gonna dress it with a little bit of olive oil, and then we'll sprinkle spices to make it taste like curry, as well as some salt and pepper. That's it, my watch. Almost there, Kate. Just stand up. Oh, funny you say that, because I've literally been standing for the last 3 hours. So joke's on you. So healthy amount of olive oil to dress this so it doesn't dry out. And then the oil also helps it caramelize when it roasts. Bring the pep. We got our salt on this side. And then I think they did garam masala. I'm gonna do a little bit of yellow curry powder. Oh yes, and some cardamom they did, which goes very nice with cauliflower. Put the cardamom away. So boom. I'll go this smaller side so I can maybe sprinkle it a bit better. There we go. Just gonna stir this chimkin real quick. I don't know if you can see in the corner over here, but she is going. She's giving her over here. We're simmering right along. Holy, when we blend that. You guys think we need a bit more turmeric just for the color? To make it more vibrant? I feel like I need a little bit more. The Blade Killer. Your husband is a lucky man to have married you with all your cooking skills and passion. Yeah, I mean, the funnier part of that is that he is also a chef. So I don't know who's luckier, because he also makes me a lot of tasty things too. Just you guys don't see it all, because he doesn't stream it. Yeah, turmeric, more. Sammy's the meat man. Torino knows. Okay, sorry, just had to stir this in. If you want to see, I'm over here. Just while the oven's coming up. Oh, Sam updated the bring list. That means that he's gonna be home momentarily. Yeah, that turmeric totally fixed this. We're balancing it out. It's about the color and the flavor. There we go. Boom. Awesome. Whoa. Sauce earlier looked amazing. We're getting there. Hi, Merc by a Skirt. Hi, Caffeinated Couple. How are you? Yeah, Sam is a really great cook. And he has his own passion. Torino, you should try his jerky, and I'm not being pervy. Holy smokes. So some yellow curry powder for nice flavor, but also for some color too. We know there's turmeric in there as well. Then lastly, garam masala. This has been used almost every place on the menu today. Almost. The only place I guess this won't be is the cucumber yogurt sauce. Okay, last two, salt and pepper. Whoop whoop. Yeah, curry, one of my faves too. And it's like, okay, winter's coming to an end here. Let's make all of our favorite heavy dishes that we probably won't have in the summer, right? When it's really hot.